Let's kick off Plastic-Free July by talking about things I no longer buy for when I'm on the go. I'm going to share some alternatives that'll prevent plastic waste and save you money. Plastic straws may be convenient, but it's just as convenient to bring along your reusable straws in a travel pouch instead. Whether you prefer stainless steel or bamboo, this straw pouch can carry as many straws as you need and your cleaning brush too. If you want to clean your straws later, this travel pouch comes with a convenient water-resistant pocket just for your dirty straws. How about plastic utensils? There's an easy way to travel with your reusable utensils too. This utensil roll is perfect for taking your bamboo or metal utensils on a picnic. It even folds out into a placemat. When you're ready to go, you can stick your dirty utensils in this water-resistant pocket until it's time for washing. Just roll it up, tie it, and you're all set. I don't know about you, but I used to waste tons of plastic bags on packing snacks. But did you know that Marley's Monsters has washable and reusable snack bags? You just fold them open, store your snacks, then fold it closed. There's no need to worry about leaking. These are just a few alternatives you can use to reduce plastic waste in your life. When it comes to keeping our planet healthy, every bit counts.